Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Croatia. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Croatia, a country situated in southeastern Europe, is primarily driven by the manufacturing of various food and beverage products, mining, exports as well as tourism. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years. And as newer traders are getting involved each day, beginners should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Croatia and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Croatia. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have eTorro. eTorro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eTorro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eTorro trading platform and mobile application. eTorro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eTorro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eTorro. At number 4 on our list is Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker, which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, futures, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are available as a web-based browser application and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24-hour 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. Coming in at number 3, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online, fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000, with its headquarters located in Switzerland. Over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs and options on a variety of asset classes, which includes currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's advanced trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard, Premium, Prime and Professional accounts, with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provides their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Croatia, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured Platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Croatia on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.